Akiaria mucemanio-ini wa kwaririria mathina maria magumeire gicukiro kia meli kia Mombatha, Minister wa ukuui augite ati ruhonge ruria rurugamiriire barabara nene guku bururi-ini no nginya rucenjie uruti wa wira waruo nigetha ceceni cia guthima uritu wa rori cigacire, na wona kwaga uguo ministry yake hinge ithimi 6 iria ciri barabara-ini nene ya guthii mabururi ma nanja.
We have directed Kenya National Highways to review the issue about delays at way bridges. You have seen, for example, those who drive to Nairobi. If you reach Mororongo before you get into the city, there is always a long queue of trucks.
Kuringana na minister uyu, wanangi wa kahinda ceceni-ini nyingi cia guthima uritu na roadblocks nicio gitumi gia gucererwo kwa gukinya kwa mirigo kuuma gicukiro-ini kia meli kia Mombatha, undu uria wahota gutuma mabururi maingi macenjie kuria magerageria mirigo yao.
There is what we call weighing in motion, whereby if you are not overweight, the gauge you show, and therefore you don't have to stop. And from what I've seen, only about 10% of all the trucks become overloaded. So we do not want to remove the weigh bridge, but what we want to do is to make sure it is efficient.
Oho, thirikari ni hoete matereba maria matwaraga mirigo yao bururi-ini wa Sudan ya muhuro mehuge kumana na ugwati wothe uria mangitungana naguo, makiria riria haro ciratuthuka bururi-ini ucio nginyagia thayu cokerere. Minister uyu no augite ati ni marathuthuria riboti iria ciugite ati matereba 15 ni moragitwo Juba hindi ya haro cia bururi wa Sudan ya muhuro.
Before the issue of security is dealt with, of course we require a lot of caution as our truck drivers drive towards the border.
Akenya no mahoetwo kurutithania wira na borithi nigetha gutigirira ugitiri ni wagacirithio guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera metha ya wonjoria, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.